Hi, welcome to Module 1, Week 1 of the class on Enterprise Architecture. We're talking about IT operations today, introducing you to some of the key tenets of the class that we're going to be discussing over the next 8 weeks and learning about. What we really want to accomplish this week is simply to go through a sort of a legacy or history of how information has come to be as important to the business as it is. Information is always important to any business, and it has since the dawn of time. But now our ability to manage that information and to really leverage it in combination with what we can gather from our environment around us and our competitors to really establish a competitive position for ourselves and to establish some discriminating capabilities for the business. And that's really what we want to do this week, is just give you sort of a history of how did IT come into being, what are sort of the main attributes of a good information technology system, and then how do businesses use those systems to basically move them forward and advance their own position within the marketplace. So we're going to go through the typical sort of stuff for what you'll see for the rest of the modules. We'll have a presentation, so go ahead and watch the presentation, and then go afterwards after the presentation and review the actual charts themselves. I'm not going to go through a bunch of time reading the charts to you. You can read just as well as anyone. But I do want you to review it afterwards, after the presentation, so you get some of the key nuggets that I really want people to understand by the time you're done with this module. We'll have a quiz. We'll have a homework assignment, kind of get you thinking about some of these things, and open up a discussion thread as well, so we can start to get the juices flowing this term in terms of people thinking about what information technology brings to the table for businesses and how we can architect those information technology systems into the enterprise in the best way possible. So welcome to class, welcome to week 1, and let's go ahead and get going.